So you're thinking about making a move to North River Ranch in Parrish, Florida. Well, in this video, we're going to check out the builder Cardel Homes and the floor plan, the Brighton model. It is either a 3-bedroom with a den or an option for a 4th bedroom with 2 baths, 2-car garage, a little over 2,000 square feet, starting in the mid 400s before customization. And before we begin, I wanted to welcome you to the channel. My name is Richard Suxampit with LPT Realty, your local real estate professional in the Sarasota and Manatee County area. If this is your first time to the channel, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below for any home tours that you'd like to take a look in Parrish or the surrounding areas. With that, we help clients just like you every single day make a move to Florida. So whether it's 5 days, 55 days, or heck, 5 years, give us a call, send us a text, send us an email, or slide into our DMs and we'd be more than happy to help you. So with that, let's take a tour of the Brighton model, and we're getting into this video in 3, 2, 1, let's go!